welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I should sit down with you guys and play around with all kinds of new makeup products, because in the last couple weeks I've received so much makeup that I was like, okay, you know what, I need to play around with this. I'm very curious to see how everything works out on the skin and everything. So this is gonna be pretty much like a chit chat, get ready with me / first impressions, because let me tell you, everything from like the skin to the very last thing of the lips is completely new for me. The only thing that I would say is not completely new is the lashes, but then again, like not every single month or lash style brands coming out with new lashes. So that's the only thing. Other than that, everything, like I'm telling you, is completely new to me. So yeah, so if you guys wanna just sit down with me, have a little chit chat and play around with makeup, then just keep on watching. So like I said, you guys, we're going to start out with the skin. So for this actual skincare products that I'm going to be testing out, I actually partnered up with this brand because I have heard all of my friends talk about it. Everyone's recommending it. And so back then in December, when they first started, like everyone talking about them, I was actually super curious to try it out. So I actually ordered a kit and I tested it out and it worked amazing. And since a lot of you have been asking for me to actually recommend you some more affordable skincare products, I thought this was amazing. So like I said, I partnered up with NXN to talk to you guys about some of their kits. They have 3 different kits. One is for combo to oily skin, and also the other one is for dry to sensitive skin, and their last kit is for acne prone skin. So they have 3 different kits, and right now the one that I'm gonna actually test out for you guys is the one for oily combination, because at the moment I am very oily in my T-zone. But I did test out their one for my dry sensitive skin back when in December, because you guys know in the winter time my skin just changes. So I tested it out. I thought it was amazing, but I really wanted just to like keep testing it out in order for me to recommend it to you guys. And honestly, it's amazing. They're cruelty free, they're completely natural and organic. They don't have any harsh chemicals whatsoever or any bad ingredients. So it's actually really great for the skin, and not to mention they're very affordable, and even more affordable now because if you guys use my coupon code, which is BIRDY, all you guys have to do is just pay for the shipping and you guys have a whole skincare line basically. So if you guys want to test it out, like I said, I'll have a link down below with my coupon code so you guys can test it out. So yeah, so I definitely recommend NXN to you guys if you guys are looking for a more affordable skincare line. But on camera, I'm going to be testing out these 2 products, which is their oil control moisturizer and their perfecting primer. Also, I did use this morning when I was showering. I used their cleanser and wow, like my skin feels nice. And also I did want to mention that they did upgrade their packaging. I don't ever remember it looking like this when I first tested it out. So they did upgrade, which I think it looks amazing. This looks so nice. But yeah, so anyways, let's go ahead and test these out. So I'm gonna do 2 pumps. This smells so good. That's another thing that I love, that their actual products smell really good. Okay, so now I'm gonna move on to the perfecting primer, which is supposed to mattify our skin. So let's go ahead and apply this. Oh wow, that really did get rid of the shine. All right, so there we have it, you guys. Those are the skincare products. Honestly, right now I'm still like, wow, like it really did take a lot of the shine away. So I'm really like happy about that, and my skin feels so nice. Like, I feel so soft right now. Like, this is crazy. So yeah, there we go. I actually really like it. Now we're gonna move on to the makeup products, which I'm so excited about. So for foundation, I actually have this one from Lawless. This is the I Woke Up Like This, and it's supposed to be like a full coverage, very natural looking foundation. I've heard so many amazing things. I have the colors Golden and Sahara, which I'm still kind of like not sure what color I am. Also, throughout the whole entire video, I am going to be using the new Jaclyn Hill and Morphe brushes. I did get the PR scent and it's so huge. Let me just open this. Hold on, I don't want nothing to fall off. Woo! We have some brushes here. I already touched them. They are so soft, you guys. Yeah, so I'm gonna be actually, you know, testing them out. All right, so I swatched Golden. I feel like that's like a, you can't even tell where I swatched it. Look, that's how good it is. Okay, so I'm gonna use the color Golden. All right, and the brush is JH03, the one that I will be using for my foundation. This foundation has a smell to it. Or is it the brush? Something smells a little weird. Wow, this foundation really is covering up everything. All right, so there we have the foundation. This looks so full coverage. I'm not sure what finish this is, if this is supposed to be like a natural or like what, but I can definitely see my face shining. So I need to actually set this. But so far, I mean, it looks really great. Like in person, this looks really, really nice on the skin. So I do like that. Okay, so now moving on to the concealer. I'm actually gonna use this one from MAC. This is their new Studio Fix 24 Hour Smooth Wear Concealer. As soon as I read 24 hour and smooth, I was like, yes, let me test it out. So I have two colors because I want to actually use one for my actual concealer and one to kind of just brighten up a little bit of my, you know, highest points. But I'm using NC20 and NC15. So let's test this out. Oh, I think this is just gonna be enough. Like, this is already like light enough. The brush I'm gonna use is a JH08, this small one. All right, so there's the concealer. I'm not sure how I feel about it. It does feel really hydrating under the eye, but I'm just gonna have to test it out later on more to give you guys my actual final review about it. But so far it feels really nice. It blended out super easily, and I kind of see it a little bit going into my filings, but I think I just have to set it. So let's move on to the setting powder. So now for my powder is also from Lawless. This one is called Seal the Deal. It's actually their brightening translucent powder. So it's just meant to set your whole entire face, brighten it up a little bit. So I'm gonna use this and see how it works. So to set everything, I'm gonna use actually two brushes, one for my like the big areas, and then this one for my under eye. And this one is the JH07, and then this one JH01. Now for my bronzer, the new one that I have here is from Mercier. This is actually not new, but I've never tried it. And it's their matte bronzing powder in Soleil #1. So this is the one I'm going to use. And I'm so freaking excited for this brush because I love this shape of brush for my bronzer. And this is JH02. So I'm going to use this just to bronze up my cheekbones and all. Ooh, that's a really pretty bronzer. I kind of feel like this is going to be my favorite brush from her entire collection. Now, one blush that I'm so excited about is the one from Too Faced. This is from their new collection, their Frutti collection, and oh my god, if you guys can just smell this, oh my god, you guys, I just want to eat this, honestly. But this one, it's their Strobeberry blush, which is a blush duo. So I'm pretty much gonna lightly just mix these two together and just use this as my blush. But oh my god, I cannot stop smelling it. It makes me so happy. And also the brush that I'm gonna use is the JH06, which looks like this. It's kind of angled, so it just nicely will go over your whole entire cheekbone. But yeah, oh yes, it gives you like a subtle glow, which I really love. Oh yes, yes. I'm gonna actually wait on the highlighter at the very end. I'm gonna go on to the eyes. So since I already applied my foundation, my concealer and everything, I'm just gonna move on straight to the palette. So I have actually two palettes here. I have these from also the Frutti collection from Too Faced, which I don't know which one I want to use. I kind of want to go for this one, which is berry colors, and also because it just smells so good. But aren't these colors so pretty? I think I'm gonna go for this, you guys. The other one is really beautiful too. It's actually more of like the colors that I'm used to. So because I don't want to stick to the same usual thing, I want to change it up a little bit. So I think I am gonna go for this one. And this one is called Razzle Dazzle Berry Eyeshadow Palette. So the first color I'm gonna pick up is this one with this Morphe brush. This is the JH30, which looks so nice and just fits right in the crease. So I'm gonna pick that up. I swear I probably won't even need perfume at the end of the day because all the makeup that I have on right now smells so fruity. Now I'm going to go into this color right here, and with this brush, the JH33, and also pop this on the outer part of my eye. At the same time, I'm going to be going back in there with my transition color just to blend out the edges. So far, I can see that these are super pigmented, so smooth, and can easily be blended out, as you guys can see. So I am actually so excited to try the other palette now because, oh my god, I love when the formula is like just right. So now I'm going to pick up this color. I'm just going to pop this all over my entire lid, and I'm using the brush JH41, and that's how I'm going to play it. Wow, this actually kind of looks like it has glitter or something, like really like fine glitter. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this. Oh, this looks so pretty, guys. So I'm gonna go back into the palette, take this lighter shade, and I'm gonna pop this in the inner corner of my eye. I'm gonna use the JH42 brush for this. So this eyeshadow did not come out how I was expecting, so we're gonna help it out a little bit later on with some highlighter or something, but I'm gonna move on to my lower lash line. So I'm actually gonna pick up that brush again and just kind of like sweep this right underneath, and that's it. I'm not gonna do a wing liner. I'm gonna move on to my lashes. So the mascara I'm gonna use is this one from NARS. This is their new mascara called Climax mascara. So I'm gonna pop a few coats of this to my lashes. So while I let my lashes dry, I'm going to go ahead and do quickly my brows. This is not an actual new product for me, but it is a new product just on the market, and it's the new Brow Contour Pro Pen. I've been using this, and so far it's worked amazing for me. So I'm going to go ahead and just quickly fill in my brows. It actually has a lot of settings. So it has a lighter setting for your brow inner corner, also the darker side for the outer part. It also has a concealer and a highlighter. So it has 4 settings. It really reminds me of like those pens from back in the day. I don't know if you guys remember them, the colorful ones. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and oh god. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and use this to fill in my brows. By the way, the color I am is brown medium, for those of you wondering. Alright, so now for my lashes, I'm going to use these from Baddie lashes in the style Baddie, of course. These are my favorite from them. So I'm just going to pop these on. Alright, so now for my lips, I'm going to be just using one product, and it's from Too Faced. This is their gloss. It's in the color Grin and Bear It. It's their Comfort Lip Glaze, and it's pretty pigmented. I actually I was trying to test out like what lippies I wanted to use, and it came off really pigmented, so I don't even think I need like an actual lipstick or anything. So I'm just gonna use this by itself, and that will complete the look. Ooh, that is so pretty. Oh, it smells so good. While I was doing my hair, I thought I was done, you guys, but I forgot I don't have a highlighter. So how can I finish my makeup without highlighter? So I have this Sleek Makeup palette. I've actually never used their highlighters. I have heard great things about them, but this one is called the Copperplate. And let me show you guys the colors. These are the colors. I'm going to probably mix these two from the bottom. And I'm going to be using this brush, the JH09. It's like literally the perfect highlighting brush. So I'm just going to mix those two and apply this as my highlighter, and also apply it in the inner corner highlights just to help out that eyeshadow, because like I said, it was not as pigmented as I thought it would be. But anyways, yeah. Ooh, oh. Ooh. Wow, this is so pretty. So pretty. This kind of looks like it's wet or something. Wow. Alright guys, so that completes this makeup look with all of these new products. So far, I have to say, I don't think there's a single product that I did not like. Like, I was actually gonna think that I was not gonna like the actual gloss just because it has a lot of shimmer, but it looks so beautiful and so stunning. And the palettes, I mean, the foundation. The only thing that I still need to test out is just the concealer and the powder, like throughout the day, see how it wears. But other than that, everything as far as my first impression, I'm just like, wow. Like, I actually really like everything. So, yay! I'm so excited. I love when I have like a good day of makeup and I love everything. But yeah, so anyways, my loves, that is it for today's video. I just want to close off this video by saying thank you so much for all your support. You guys don't know how much it always means to me to always read an uplifting comment from you guys. Like, it just kind of helps me keep going. If you guys didn't know, like, it's just like that extra push, and I just really appreciate it. So thank you guys so much for everything and all your love and all your support. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye. Mwah. Okay. He said if we want in and out. Yes. Is there any way that we can kill that? Oh, did you see that? I was like, instead of like that bitch is like, bye. Dude, honestly, these, you need them.
Are they the same? I have that one, but the original Morphe.
No, this is softer.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it is.
I feel like they're just Morphe, but better.
Alright, let me go use your coupon code.
This pinche mosca.
Why is it only when you record?
Fuck my life.
Loud, but...
Or like, hey, Richie. Pinche puta mosca pendeja. I did not expect it to look like this. I was like, holy moly. So now for my lashes, I'm going to use these from Baddi. Yeah, Baddi.